Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. Today's question is, how do we target high net worth and high income people on Facebook with Facebook ads? Very easy. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's jump into this. Here I am logged into one of my Facebook ad accounts. So we're gonna create, click on the create button and create a brand new campaign. And by the way, if you watched my previous videos on Facebook ads, you know whenever we set targeting, it's set at the second step of Facebook campaign creation. So first step is the campaign objective. The second is the ad set. So we define our target audience at the ad set level. So that's what we're gonna focus on in today's video. So let's do this campaign. I'm just gonna click on, let's say we're doing a conversion campaign, and let's just call it test and hit continue. And I'm gonna skip everything, and then we're gonna go right into the audience, which is right here. So in the audience section, we are gonna scroll down, not the custom audience. Custom audience is like your website traffic or your email list. We are gonna scroll down and look for this section called detailed targeting. Now, this is where, and by the way, a couple of years ago, before the Cambridge Analytica, there were a lot of options that we could use to target people based on how much their income was or their net worth was. Facebook has taken some of those options away, but you're still able to, if you're creating campaigns maybe for a luxury brand or a client, you can use some of these options to target people who are high net worth or high income. So what you can do is, I'm gonna click on browse right here, and then we are gonna go inside demographic, and we are gonna go inside financial. This is where you're gonna find some of that information, the information that is still available. The good stuff, some of the good stuff Facebook has taken away, but not everything. So I'll click on that and now look at this. So household income, top 10% of the zip codes, top 10 to 25% of the zip code, top 5%. So if I was targeting people who have like a lot of like income, that's what I would probably do. People, and if you look at the description, people who live in the top 5% of US zip codes by average household income based. So you know these people have the money, right? So that's like one option. The other option is, I'm gonna disable this. The other option is you can also, people who have high net worth or high income, their behavior, their interest, what they do online is different from people who don't have a lot of income, right? So you can target based on that. So for example, if I go and type, I'm gonna type luxury, let's see what comes up. And look at this. So I can target people who are interested in the luxury goods. Here you go, luxury real estate. I'm gonna go and watches, right? People who have money, they're probably into watches. Travel, yacht, yeah, you know, that's where people, rich people spend their income or a lot of their savings. Let me go back up. Luxury lifestyle. So some of it. So that's the method number two. The method number one was, you still target by income, but you do the household and then the top 5%, or depending on what you want to do, maybe top 10 to 25% or top 10%, but by the income. The second option is by targeting the interest. Now here's what if I'm creating this campaign, I would not like in one ad set combine both of those, because these are different sort of things. People who are interested into, people who based on their interest are qualifying themselves as, hey, rich people, which is these things right here. This is probably different from people who have somehow Facebook got their household income data. I don't know how they got that data, maybe through their different like data partners that they have, but these are like different types of people. And I like to think of, when I create my ad sets, I like to create the different type of people in different ad sets. So what I might do is the A/B testing, right? Which is something we should always be doing. So I might create one ad set and add these people. So one ad set targeting people based on the financials and income, and the other ad set I might add people based on the different interests, right? So that's how you can A/B test and maybe, you know, spend 10 to 20% off your budget on both of those, and then see which one works best for, you know, whatever campaign objective, whatever you're trying to do with your Facebook ad campaign. So short video today, but this is what I wanted to show you, that you can still target people who are high net worth or high income on Facebook using some of these options. Thanks for tuning in today. If you have any questions, you know what to do, right? Leave those questions in the comments below, and also before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.